Nature has gifted us with so many different landscapes, mesmerizing visuals and air filled with fragrances. But rapid urbanization, population growth has turned them into a concrete jungle. Humans have further destroyed these natural resources by not just polluting them but creating unhealthy atmosphere for themselves, plants and animals. These visuals are proof enough how we humans have destroyed the planet Earth that paved way for so many epidemics and pandemics that we have been witnessing very often. The ill effects of these changes are great reduction in human life expectancy, surrounded with many deadly diseases, high mortality rates in newborn babies. If these situations are not addressed immediately, the repercussions will be paid by our future generations. We, at Mars Infinite Solutions, are trying to address these issues and help the authorities by providing sustainable solutions in surface disinfection. We wish to present to you Sagel Clear. This single solution is powerful enough to address issues such as disinfection of highest level as it eliminates various disease-causing bacteria, viruses, algae and molds. Vector-borne disease can be greatly reduced as it kills mosquito larvae. Decay-forming bacteria are killed, thereby eliminating bad odor. Quality of cleaning and hygiene can be considerably increased by regular use of Sagel Clear. At the same time, it is safe enough to be used around humans, animals and plants. A tablet of calcium hypochlorite weighing 300 grams is placed inside the container of Hydroventury. There is no manual interference or batch mixing involved in this process, so the solution produced by the Hydroventury is guaranteed of proper concentration. Areas such as public transportation, washrooms, garbage depots, market areas, slum areas, open drains or waterlogged areas, garbage bins, animal husbandry. It is ideal to be used in hospitals, schools and institutes, factories, housing societies, garden areas, kids playing areas, and all public utility areas that can tolerate water. Sagel Clear is a formidable force to combat most commonly known deadly viruses and bacteria like swine flu, dengue, malaria, chikungunya, bird flu, hepatitis and most recent coronavirus. It is equally effective on mosquito larvae and other viruses affecting animals. With very less contact time after disinfection spray, the microbial count is reduced to bare minimum, thereby ensuring complete disinfection, and therefore it is the ideal solution for addressing all the concerns of cleanliness and hygiene. Thank you.